Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious yam porridge or pottage. Guys, you are going to love this. This is so delicious, so yummy and easy to put together. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, do all the beautiful stuffs to this channel. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get down to the video.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace.
And here are my ingredients for this delicious yam pottage. So for my beef, I'll be making use of goat meat. This is roasted or dried goat meat, okay? And for my vegetable, I'll be using ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaf. I've already washed and sliced it. I'll be using Maggi star, my washed and sliced onions. So here is my dried fish. I've already washed, deboned it, okay? And here is my crayfish. Don't skip this, okay? Do not skip this crayfish. So here is my salt. My salt is almost finished, but this will do, okay? This will do and even remain. So here I've got my pepper mix, roughly blended pepper mix. In here I have ginger, garlic and pepper, fresh pepper. And here is my palm oil. I have my yam here. I've washed it and diced it into the shape and size that I want, okay? So this is the preferred size for porridge yam, okay? You don't need to chop it into big chunks. So now we are going to start off by heating up our palm oil. Guys, there are so many methods of making yam porridge. This is one of the methods you can make yam porridge, and this is the simplest way. This one pot meal is the simplest way to prepare your yam porridge, and it will still come out delicious. So now that our oil is hot, I'll be adding in my chopped onions. I'm going to be frying these onions for some minutes, then I will go in with my dried fish. So now I'm going to be adding in my dry fish to this oil. This is so the fish can fry a little and release its flavor into the oil, okay? You are going to like this. Try it. If you have not tried it before, please try it. I'm going to stir this now and I'll allow this to fry for about 3 minutes. To my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing, for liking, for watching even while I was away. Thank you for supporting me, my OGs. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. So guys, 3 minutes later, our fish and onions has perfectly fried now. So now I'm just going to be adding in the pepper mix. I'm just going to stir this and then I will go in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this now, and I'll allow this to fry for few minutes, okay? Few minutes. Guys, if you have not liked this video up to now, please, what are you waiting for? If you have watched me up to now, means you're enjoying this video. Please like, okay? I'm just going to add in water, and then I will go in with my crayfish. I will add in my salt now. I'm going to give this a very good mix, and then I will add in my dried goat meat. I'm going to stir, cover this, and allow this to come up to a boil. Guys, if you have not liked, please like, subscribe, share, and do all the beautiful stuffs, okay? I'll add in the washed yam now. Then I'm just going to mix this, okay, so that everything can combine together. And then I'm going to cover this pot and allow this yam to cook until the yam is soft, okay? You have to cook your yam until it is soft, because this is porridge. Porridge yam have to be very soft. So guys, our yam is perfectly cooked now. You can see that the yam is so soft. I'm just going to use my phone to stir and then break some to form some porridge, because I love my yam having so much porridge in it. I'm just going to mix all of this together, like mix it so well. Guys, you can see how yummy this porridge yam is looking like. At this point, the yam is almost ready. You can choose to eat it like this, but no, I'll add in my vegetable. I'm just going to go in with my pumpkin leaf now, and then I will cover this pot and allow this to cook for few seconds, okay? Not up to a minute, just few seconds, so that our vegetable will not overcook. A few seconds later, guys, I'm going to mix all of this together to combine everything together, okay, so that the yam, the sauce, the vegetable can marry each other very well. And guys, look what we have. Our yummy and delicious yam pottage is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying out this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you have not liked, if you have not subscribed, please like, subscribe, share my video, okay? Do all that beautiful stuff to this channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please guys, stay safe. Bye bye.
You have been